Michael Saylor did sell some Bitcoin this week, and he positioned himself for his reserve and STRC preferred shares in a little bit of a healthier cash position. So what happened on the week?
He did not sell $650 million of Bitcoin. That number is wrong, and the tape traded on it anyway.
It's 1,691 Bitcoin were sold over the last week, increasing the USD reserve by 650 million.
Do the division. 650 million across 1,091 coins is 384,000 a coin. Bitcoin is 63,081 tonight. Those coins are worth about 107 million. The rest was paper, not Bitcoin.
So now, in sum, strategy has 2.7 years of yield in dollars, not Bitcoin, in dollar yield. This is the third week in a row that Saylor has sold like a meaningful amount of Bitcoin.
And 1,691 coins out of 447 is 0.2%. Their average cost is 76,029. They are underwater, and they trimmed a rounding error.
And I do think that this is kind of why we dipped under the 200-week moving average, and we kind of like dipped this week, even though we only dipped like a little bit. Like I said, fingernails below the 200.
Third week in a row is a headline. 0.2% is a position.
Week moving average. I think people are now kind of wondering, myself included, it's like, oh, okay, third week in a row. Like, okay, all right, like how many weeks in a row?
Right, Mike? You gonna stop?
Yeah,
Here is where they are, right? The largest holder alive flipping from bid to offer 3 weeks running changes who the marginal buyer is. That 200-week break is not nothing.
Point, right? Because when he sold the 32 Bitcoin and Bitcoin fell by like 75,000 down to $62,000, we were like, we're all in agreement that that was the market front running all of these sales by Saylor. But
check the other ledger. The network issued about 3,950 coins that same week. Miners outsold Saylor nearly 2-1.
Did the market guess the total amount of Bitcoin to be sold by Saylor at these current levels correctly? Or is Saylor going to surprise us by week after week clipping away another 1,700 Bitcoin week after week? It seems like it's not that much sell.
Block 962 on 632. 20,070,703 mined of 21 million. Saylor's sale is a decision he can reverse Monday. The 450 a day is not. Own the supply nobody votes on.